Have you heard about 3D printing? And is there a place for it in education? Hi, my name is Mr. Keir from School Tech HQ, and I'm going to share with you 3 ways 3D printing is beneficial in an education setting. Firstly, let's discuss the wonders of hands-on learning. With 3D printing, students convert digital products into tangible objects. It's a game changer, enabling them to interact with abstract concepts in a tangible manner. Children get to see their ideas turn into something they can feel. This will enrich their learning experience. Next up, we have creativity and problem solving. Witness the sheer innovation as students brainstorm, design, and refine their 3D models. They're not just solving problems, they're becoming future innovators. 3D printing unleashes their creativity in ways we never thought possible. Lastly, it's all about preparing our students for what lies ahead. As they explore 3D printing, they are gaining vital skills that will prepare them for tomorrow's workforce. Digital design, problem solving, creative thinking, and prototyping. They're ready for the future. And there you have it. Hands-on learning, creativity, problem solving, and future readiness. All thanks to our amazing 3D printers. I hope this inspires you to explore this amazing tool in your classroom. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you now know 3 benefits to 3D printing in education. Let me know. Do you have a 3D printer in your school? Is it being used or is it collecting dust? Again, thank you for watching and enjoy learning tech in education from School Tech HQ. Bye.